Hey, if you're new, welcome to the Mineo Games channel. Usually we talk about video game and video game development, but today it's a bit special because we are doing an unboxing and we're talking about audio. You may have noticed that the sound wasn't perfect in the previous game I made and in the vlogs videos. It was because of the microphone. I used the included microphone in the GoPro on my audio headset, which are a start, but not professional material. Since it was Black Friday, I jumped on the occasion and I bought some new material, so today we are unboxing it. Let's proceed to the unboxing. Here it is. It's a complete pack. So let's open it. And easy. Okay. Nice packaging. So you have big headphones when you are recording. It's pretty good. It's a passive isolation, I think. It reduces the noise a little. Here we have this big thing. It's a soundbar or an audio external card. These are the cables for the mic, and you see they are special. So that's why we need this card. It's like an adapter. You plug in the mic into it, and then you plug this into the PC via USB, and it's like an adapter. This kind of mic needs electricity to work, so there is a ghost power. It powers the mic too. Focusrite, a really famous audio card brand. The good point about this one is there are two entries, so you can plug two mics or you can plug one mic and one guitar, and you can control the volume. You can plug in directly headphones, so while you're recording you can hear you back directly. It's very important. Here is the mic. So you see, basically there are two types of microphone. There is a condenser mic, so this one is a condenser, and there are dynamic one. Wait a second. This is the dynamic one. It's better for singing or concert. Very next to me. There you see. This one is condenser, so the difference between the dynamic one is this is more sensible, so it's better suited for voice recording, voiceover, or sound design, so really little sound. And also it can be used in field recording, so when you go out and you record nature, it's better suited for sound design for games. So can't wait to test it. But before we move on to test, I got another one. Here you see, this is for the vlogs, so it's another type of mic. This is a shotgun mic, as we say. It's really small, but it's kind of precise. You have to point the mic directly onto the audio source, and you can get pretty good sound, but you got to be precise. It won't record sound that's not in the axis. Here it is. So Rode is a famous brand too in audio. Here you got a protection against wind. If I can remove it. Yes. Here you have your shotgun. And it's really small. It needs to be powered too. So for this, I also got a case for the GoPro. So you put the mic on the case, and then you record it to an adapter that is plugged into the GoPro. Sound will be as good as ever in future vlogs.
Several days later.
I received the last part, so let's open it. Okay, so that's the adapter that will power the mic. So I'm gonna assemble them and make a test with and without the mic. And this avoid noise. Here. And there is another plug to allow to charge while filming. Okay, so let's try. I was afraid at first because I couldn't get the GoPro inside the case. That was because I needed to remove the side door. So let's go make a test outside. This is my current setup, so only the GoPro without the mic. You must be used to if you have watched the vlog series about the November VR challenge. If you haven't, I encourage you to do so. And now I've added the mic into the case and plugged in into the GoPro, so you should hear me better now, much clearly, and you must not hear all the sound like the cars, etc., because the mic is pointed directly to my mouth, and it should be better even in outside environment like this. Hope the future vlogs will be better. Hey, this is a recording test session. You should notice a big difference between the camera sound and the micro sound. It's cool because I hear instantly what I'm saying in my headphone. Hey, this is a recording test session. You should notice a big difference between the camera sound and the micro sound. It's cool because I hear instantly what I'm saying in my headphone. Hey, this is a recording test session. You should notice a big difference between the camera sound and the micro sound. It's cool because I hear instantly what I'm saying in my headphone. And it's even better when you use software adjustments like compressor or de-essers. This microphone will be useful for sound design too. So let's make some tests. Make some foot noise. I don't know. So that will wrap up the videos. Hope that you like it. So if so, you can like the video and subscribe so don't miss the next one. Until the next time, see you!